Welcome my favorite channel GVV Show, Basic English Grammar. We are continuing word, sentence, parts of speech and articles. We are discussed about all these previous classes. Now today I am going to take voices. So in an English grammar, voices are very important part to speak and write. So there are two kinds of voices. There are two kinds of voices. They are active voice and second one is passive voice. So these two kinds of voices. So active voice means, now I am going to discuss detail. When we are going to discuss voices, there are two kinds of voices, active voice and passive voice. I will give short, one brief short active voice, which come in active voice, which change in passive voice. So this is AV, AV means active voice. This is PV, PV means passive voice. When active voice I, me, it change he, her, this, that, these, those, we, us, we, them, we, us. It becomes in passive voice them. So these are short. You remember that when active voice in I or me, we will write he, her. So I will explain detail. Now I am going to give some examples. Number one is this is active voice. Cat killed the rat. So why we are calling active? The sentence is live. This is active word, active sentence. That's why we are calling active voice sentence. So when we write passive voice, so one more thing I have to tell. So one sentence mainly contains three: subject, object, verb. This is subject, this is object, and this is verb. So verb always in the middle sentence. It not change. The object and subject changes, but verb is still, it is middle. So in passive voice, this is active voice. Active voice mainly subject is from starting front side, that means front line. Object is last line. Verb is in middle. So I will give the active voice sentence. I will change passive voice. What I say? Object can change in passive voice. So add object come in front. So the cat, the rat killed by cat. So what is the new sentence in the passive voice? Passive voice, PV. So what is the new sentence in the passive? That means by its scale. By in the passive voice. when the sentence found by, we must think that is passivized sentence. By is a new word in passivized. Our second example, the peon opened the gate. So here the peon is subject, the gate is object. It is verb. This is subject. So it is an active voice. So when we write passive voice, the subject will come friend. So the object will come friend. Which is object? The gate. The gate was. Why we are using was? Because the verb is in past tense. That means past tense word, when it come ed, you must be think that it is passive sentence. So opened, same we are using in passive voice, was. The gate was opened by the peon. So the subject will come in last object, the object come as a subject. So the gate was opened by the peon. This is passive voice. Third example, active voice. AV means here active voice. Third example, active voice is I am eating a banana. So here I am subject, eating where, banana object where. So why I am always writing this underline subject object where means, you must realize when you understand this sentence, you must understand easily English language, English grammar. So I am eating a banana. So it is a active sentence. Why we are calling active voice? The sentence is active, not in passive. So when it change passive voice, you write like this. So object come subject as subject. ये banana so one more thing, when it come eating, walked, so ed, when it come active ed, it comes past tense. Now it is present tense verb, eating. Now present doing is eating. So when it come being, so when it come ing, we must use in passive as being. Now still he is eating. A banana was being eating by me. So why I am it comes was. I means me, by me. So a banana was being eating by me. Still I am eating. Still he was eating. So he was, I am means na cheta. So I am so many people are asking, sir, you are taking classes in English to English. We can't understanding easily. So they are representing and so many people are commenting and requesting me, sir, you take one whenever you are going to discuss grammar, you are discussing grammar and you are teaching grammar, so you please use single word in Telugu, sir, then we understand easily. So that's why, okay, I tell English and lastly I will give explanation in Telugu also. So it is presenting verb, a simple presenting word. I am eating a banana. So I am teaching Telugu. I am tell Telugu. నేను అరటి పండు తింటున్నాను. That means it is present tense words, present tense verb, present tense sentence. So తింటున్నాను means still he is eating. So దాన్ని మనం ఏం చెప్పాలి passive voice లో, when it's come passive voice, a banana was being eaten by me, నా చేత తినబడుతున్నది. అరటి పండు నా చేత తినబడుతున్నది. స్టిల్ నేను ఇంకా తింటున్నా, నాట్ కంప్లీటెడ్. సో దట్స్ వై ఏ బనానా వాజ్ బీయింగ్ ఈటింగ్ బై మీ. నంబర్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈస్ యాక్టివైజ్. He is reading the book. Reading the book. So here the book reading he is reading is verb. He means subject. The book means object. So when it am and is come in active voice, we must use was in passive voice. So I am eating a banana. So when we write in passive voice, a banana was being eaten by me. So next is he is reading the book. The book was being reading by him. He means him. She means her. These are all active voice passive voice words. When it he come in active voice, it change him. When it come she in active voice, it change in passive voice her. He is reading the book is active voice. When we write passive voice, so the book was being reading by he itself, it comes passive voice him, by him. సో నేను అతను పుస్తకం చదువుతున్నాడు. సో మనం ఏం చెప్పాలి? ఇన్ థర్డ్ పర్సన్. ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్ మీన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ ఇట్ కమ్ థర్డ్ పర్సన్. సో అతను ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? వాట్ హీ ఈజ్ టెల్లింగ్? హీ ఈజ్ రీడింగ్ ద బుక్. అతను ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? ముగ్గురు వ్యక్తులు దే ఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్. ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? అతను బుక్ చదువుతున్నాడు. నేనేం చెప్పాలి? మీ ఇద్దరిని కలిపి సో ద బుక్ వాజ్ బీయింగ్ రీడింగ్ బై హిమ్. అతని చేత చదవబడుతున్నది. ఆ పుస్తకము అతని చేత చదవబడుతున్నది. దిస్ ఈస్ ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్. సో నంబర్ ఫిఫ్త్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ ఆమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్. రామ killed Ravana. Simple active voice sentence. So many people say same active sentence. This is an easy sentence. So when it comes passive voice, as previous I told, Rama is the subject, Ravana is object, killed means verb. So when it comes passive voice, object will come as a active voice. So object Ravana was. Why I use was? This is passive sentence. Killed. Ed. It comes ed. That was we can change in passive as was. Ravana was killed by Rama. Killed by Rama. This is passive. So Rama killed Ravana. Passive voice. Ravana was killed by Rama. We are discussing voices. So once again I am reminding. There are two types of voices, active voice and passive voice. So we found in new thing in active voice and passive voice. When it was ed, past tense word comes in active voice, it becomes was. So I am giving voices words. How can change in active voice and passive voice? You note down. Active voice, AV. Passive voice, PV. So I, me, he, she. When it comes he and she, him, her. So is, am, was. Us, we, them. these, those, this, that, is, am becomes was. It also ed also becomes was. These are, you note down. When it comes activize I, me, it becomes he, she. When it comes activize he, she, him, her. When it comes is, am, ed, that means past tense word, we can write was. So when it comes in activize has, we can write, we must write them. These, those, this, that. These are so many words are there. So I am giving briefly for your understanding. So with this, today's class voices are completed. So friends, if you like my video and my lessons, please subscribe and share, like it for more videos, for moral support for me.